Hey, it's me. So I came out because we have my dog. We have a bird's nest in here, and there were 3 eggs before, and now there's only one. And I checked the ground, and I just opened one of the eggs, and here's what it looks like. Here's the other egg. And there's feathers everywhere, so I'm thinking there was an attack. So I'm looking for the mother bird. I don't see her anywhere, so Teddy's there. Um, yeah, so, ew, I just cracked the other egg. Where's the stick? Here's the stick. Teddy, no, we're not eating dead birds. Let me find a stick. No, bad dog. Sorry, talking to my dog. But look at that. Ew.